Hi, this video clip is going to be about editing the delinquent letter template. So I just got off the phone call with Tiki Island and I want to change to the template. So I'm going to pull it over, and this is my computer, and I want to put it here and then edit it from here. They need in order to edit the template, we need Adobe Pro. So that's what we're gonna do here. So I'm gonna minimize this here. Connect to their server. This is their server. This is their template here. So I'm gonna get this template, copy, and now go back. Let's minimize this thing. And on our network on the P drive WebUB template, so support files, support server, and the WebUB template. Created a folder Tiki templates. So I'm going to paste this one here. I'm going to rename it. I'm just going to do -org for original. And the first thing I want to do is open with Adobe Pro. That's my Adobe Pro 9. I have just released 9. Okay, to my other side of the screen. Let's get it on this side. Where there you go. Let's go back. There it is. Alright, let's put it on one. Let's put it on this side. Let's work from this other screen. Here it is. Okay, so this is a template. The first thing that I want to do to make changes to the template, because I can make changes to the letter, and she actually wants to take care of this here, the date, the name, mailing address, and this. She wants to take that out. So the first thing I want to do is save it as a Word document. Where's Word? Microsoft Word, there. Okay. So now I have a Word document. I can close this. Now I'm going to open my Word document. There it is. Word document open. Let's make a few changes here. This is not lining up, so let's just line that up. She does not want the date, so we want to delete the date. She does not want the name to be there, and she does not want the mailing address. Okay, 1, 2, okay. Alright, now I removed the labels. Now I'm going to save this. I just saved the template. I'm going to now save this Word document as a PDF file. Save it in the same location. Okay, went to my other screen. Let's get this one on this side. Okay. Okay, so let's close this now. Okay, good. So now that's the original. This is the one that is going to be my new template. Let's rename this guy here. Let's take this out. That's the one we're dealing with. I'm going to open it, but now I'm going to open it with Adobe Pro, which is this one here in my computer, Adobe Pro. Okay. In Adobe Pro, I'm going to make this bigger here. See if I can make this a little bigger. I guess that's okay. Okay, Adobe Pro has this tool here called Forms. In this Forms is where we're going to add our fields. And so this is what I'm going to do. This is my new one. I'm going to open the original with Adobe Pro as well. Open with Adobe Pro 9. Okay. Because it's basically going to be pulling the same information. All I did was take the labels out, right? Move this over here. Now let's move this over here. Okay, let's click on that. Click on that fields so that we can see the fields. See, now we can see the fields. So there's really no easy way to, at least I haven't found an easy way to just copy and paste the fields, and they have to be added if there's new changes to the template. So let's do that. We're going to add, well, looks like they're using all those fields there. So we'll start with print date. So I'm going to go over here and click on, what is the fields? Add fields. Right here, add new field. There's going to be a text field. And it's going to go, looks like it goes right there. That's one. It's looking like two. There you go. Let's do it there. And this is going to be my print date. It's important that we use the correct label, because this is how this template maps to the field in a database. Okay, so now we have a print date. We're going to add a name. So let's click on there. Let's do a text field. Let's put a date. Looks like there's one space down. Now we have mailing. Oh, the label. Just name. Oh, just like it is on the other side, capital N. It does matter. Just making sure that it is named correctly. That number sign on the side is the system plugs that in when you're trying to put the same label twice, like right here and right there. So that does it automatically. You'll see. We will see it in a minute. The next one is mailing address 1 and 2. Mailing address 1 and 2. Which one's that one? That one's mailing address. What is this? Mailing address 2. Okay. Let's do that. Looks like I need to make them smaller, just like it shows on that side. 1, 2, 3. So let's do that. Let's bring this down. There. Let's do the same here. Let's do the same here. And this one I'm going to do. I'm going to delete this one so they'll be the same size and just make a copy of this one. Okay, that sounds like that looks good. Make it just a little bit smaller. There you go, that looks good. So what I can do is just highlight that box, Control C, Control V, and it creates a copy of it. And then use that same box sizing and then change the label. So put that one there, takes care of that. Use the same box to put that one right here. Same size box, right? Come on. Right there. Here's another box. We need another one. Oh, we're not going to change the label yet. Okay. Right there. Looks like we need 2 more boxes. Okay, that box goes right there. We're going to have to shrink this field. So let's bring that box like that. Okay, that looks like it's perfect lined up. You see my arrow to just slightly move it. Now since that box looks like that's the right size, I'm just going to make a copy of this box, Control C, Control V, use that box and stick it right in there. What else I have? I have another box here. Sorry. So let's, oops, wrong side. There it is. Bring this down right there. Okay, looks like I have all my boxes in place. All I have to do is just change the label. So let's start. I got this one, name. I gotta change this label. So what I just did, I just double click. Now I can change the label. Capital M, capital A, DR1. Male ADDR2. ADDR2, male ADDR. I'm looking at this label here. Okay, that looks good. Next one is account, right? Yep, account. NUM. Now let's do service address, just this guy here, that one. ADDR. Name repeats again, so this is where I was telling you about the name. What the name shows? Oh, I'm missing name there. I don't have name. Print. Alright, so let's make a copy of that. And it's gonna go right in there. Okay, so now I have name. Turn it up a little bit. Just push that up a little bit. So I'm highlighting with my arrow. I'm just shifting it up a little bit. I'm sorry. Let me turn that off. So come on this. Close. Okay, let's continue. Alright, so got the count, I got service, I got name. Let's change this guy. That one is total balance. Total balance. Double click. Total balance. We're going to ahead this next one here. Close that. This next one is due date. do date. This one over here. Original amount. AMT. Okay. So once I added all my fields with the correct mapping label, I can just go ahead and say save. Save. And we're gonna do a quick test before I send it to Tiki. Okay. So this is what we're going to do. That's the original. Do you want to save any changes? No, no save any changes on this one. Let's close that one. Okay, so that's my new template. I have a server that I can test with. So let's right-click, copy, and let's do test here. So here's this is all the labels available in a template. That's something that I'm working on. So let's paste this new template in here. Place. That's the one that I just edited. Let's make a copy of that. Actually, we are going to rename this guy here. Right click, rename. Let's put that on hold. Now that's the one that I was working with. So I'm going to rename the one that I just changed to match the system code and district code that I want to play with. This MD0025. Let's delete those. Okay. Alright. So just move. That's the one. Let's open it. Oh, I clicked the wrong thing. DT. Where's the DL? MD0025. Yeah, this is the one we changed. So here's the labels. There's a little gap there. Well, let's see how this looks. This also can probably be shifted a little bit so that we can see the coma. So this is minor things that we can change. So this is why I wanted to do a quick run to make sure that everything lines up correctly. There's really no easy way. You have to just put it in place and then run it. So let's do that. I'm using district 25 in this database. Okay, it takes a little while to start. The server's a lot slower than PVM03. Okay, so let's go to billing. Let's go down here to delinquent process now. And let's go straight to the letters. Okay. I already have a file to work with. I don't think I did that, but let's put it in there. Alright, let's see our result. Oh, hold on. Did not find my template. See, I don't have a PDF. And I have this here. So did not find MD0025. I did something wrong with the file. Let's see. MD. Oh, 255. I have 2 5s there. Okay. So let's Let's delete that. Now I have 0025. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, look for the delinquent file. There it is. I don't think I'm using that on this specific template, but I just went ahead and plugged in a board meeting date. Okay, now I have a PDF. I don't have that issue, that template not found. Let's click on here. Okay, looks okay. I guess I could make this view a little taller so that it matches those two there. And this is address 1 and 2. I need the city, state, and zip code down here. I noticed that on that other template. It had address 1 and 2, not the city, state, and zip code. And this is doing the whole spelled out date. I guess that's okay. We'll find out. On her template, I think it was just doing the whole spell out date. Due date. Bill due date. Bill spelled out. Let's go back to this. Okay, so some of the changes. I need to add city, state, zip code here. I need to make this a little. Maybe I go the other way, make those a little smaller so that it's the same template. So that it matches the font that I have here. See this font? The font looks like it's font 10. This looks like font 9. This is definitely bigger, like font 16 maybe. So make those two boxes a little smaller. And adding my city step zip code here. I want to shift this over a little bit so I can see the comma. Make this a little smaller. Those two look okay. Shift this down a little bit. So let's do that. I'm going to leave this on so I can know exactly what to change. So I'm going to change screens here. Go to this template. Open it with Adobe Pro. Make this a little bigger. Okay, so I can see my labels. So the idea is to make that a little smaller and closer. Let's do the same thing with this guy. Okay. Control C. We're going to add another one. Okay. Now this one is going to be city, state, zip. That's the label that pulls city, state, zip. What else I needed to do? Let's check. So I'll fix this. That looks okay. That's the account number. That's the name. Bring this down a little bit. Just bring this down a little bit. So go back. Click. I'm gonna click on it just with my keyboard. Just move it down a little bit. I think that looks good. See what else we need to change. Okay. That looks good. Good. This one, just make the box a little smaller so that we can see the comma. And maybe bring the field down a little bit. Okay, let's go back over here. This is the field. First thing first, let's close this box a little bit. Now there's the comma. Now with my keyboard, I'm going to go down a couple couple spaces there. Okay, so I just made another change, right? So we're gonna go to the same steps. Save this, save my changes, close this, copy my template to my test environment and repeat this test. Okay, so that's my file. Let's delete that 25DL. This is the 25DL. Let's delete that. We're going to rename this one to MD 0025 and delete those numbers. 60035. Okay, looks like I made the right changes there. Let's go here, hit new. Let's try this again. Okay. Here's my letters. Alright, looks good. So my day does look okay. That looks good. Looks like I could move this down a little bit more. Maybe I can move this down a little bit. Yeah, I can move this one down. Same with that, move this one down a little bit. And so now at this point I make those changes, repeat this testing again, and it doesn't end there because then I have to send the template to the customer. We run a sample on the customer side and let the customer approve the changes. If she finds any other changes, then I have to repeat this process. But basically that's what we do to change the template on the link one letters. And any template, not just in the link one letters, but door hangers, cutoffs, they have the same thing. We create a template in Word. We use PDF Pro to add the fields and merge the data into those fields. So I'm going to conclude this video here. I'm going to keep working on this and getting the client to approve. But that's basically what we do with this thing. Thank you.